Morning, everybody. Sunday morning, about 5:30. We're headed back out on another road trip, pick up some more bikes. Seems to be a recurring theme every week. We're going to do this, but got to get up early when you find the deals and run get them. So these two bikes, it's a 84 lowrider and an Evo Sportster in a rigid chassis. I'm not sure exactly what year. It's a 1200cc Sportster in a rigid frame. And also there's an Ironhead motor, Ironhead Sportster motor, and look like a bunch of parts and stuff like that. These are probably just going to get parted out and sold on our eBay. We'll see for sure once we get them and are able to kind of evaluate what's there, but we got so many projects in the shop already. I doubt we're gonna sign up for any more projects at this time, so we will probably, like I said, just go ahead and part them out and get everything listed up on our eBay page and get them sold here hopefully in the next few weeks. Try and turn some cash and buy some more bikes. So anyway, we're headed to 95. We're going to shoot up 95 a couple hundred miles to New Smyrna Beach and see about grabbing these things. So thanks for joining us as always, and we'll jump back on and off here as the trip progresses. Making pretty good time here. We're gonna make a pit stop. We gotta get some diesel. Might have to stop and get a second mortgage to pay for the diesel these days, but gonna fill up.
In 1,000 feet, keep left at the fork. Follow signs for Fellsmere. Keep left at the...
All right, let's get this sucker filled up. Get back on the road. Guys, just a quick interruption in the video here. I want to tell you about how to enter to win. As I said in a couple previous videos, we're going to pop this information in the middle of all of our videos here and there, just to let people know how to enter, and it'll get people to watch the videos as you got to watch and find where the information is. So it's going to be real simple. You don't have to buy anything, doesn't cost you anything. You just need to send an email. I'm going to try to get the email on the screen here. I'm not a super tech whiz, so we'll see how that goes, but the email address is pretty straightforward. It's gaddysgaragegiveaway@gmail.com. So all you have to do, send one email. In the email, subject line, giveaway, and in the body of the email, your name, address, telephone number. That's it. You don't actually even need to give your whole address if you don't want. Just let's scratch the address. Let's give your name, your city and state, and a contact phone number. We're not going to sell the phone numbers. No one will ever have them but me, so don't worry about that. You're not going to get sales calls. I hate sales calls as much as everybody else. But we do need a way to get a hold of you if you win. So, again, name, city and state, telephone number. You do need to be a subscriber to the channel to win also. So if you're seeing this and you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and then send the information on over. So We look forward to everybody entering, and we're really excited to give away this bike. Now back to the video. All right, we got all the bikes loaded up here. Got this little rigid Evo Sportster. Got a wide glide front end. Cool little oil tank. A couple other neat little parts on it. Then we also scooped up this 84 Lowrider FL chassis. Evo Big Twin 4-speed kickstart tranny. There's an Ironhead Sportster motor. Just a bunch of kind of cool random stuff. So we're all loaded up and ready to hit the road. Alright, so successful morning. We got the truck loaded. Picked up these 2 bikes, spare motor, a couple boxes of parts, and met a new really cool old biker. He's got a ton of bikes. Unfortunately, had some flood, and so his house got kind of wrecked, so he's selling off a bunch of stuff so he can get his house rebuilt. So this may not be our last trip up here. You never know, might have to make another run next few weeks and see what else we can grab up. But for now, we got these 2 bikes and all the parts. We're gonna get home and get these things torn down and try and get them all sold off. So we're gonna jump back on the road and cruise on home. Thanks for riding along with us. Alright everybody, well that's going to be a wrap for today. Just about back home. I don't know what this was, maybe about a 400 little mile trip. Picked up some stuff. We'll get back to the shop Tuesday, get these things unloaded, and start breaking them down. After seeing them, I definitely think they're going to just be part out bikes, which is good. Everybody needs parts. So if you see any parts on them that you might need, let us know. Also, definitely don't forget to check out our giveaway video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. I'm trying to get that subscriber count up. Can't give away the bike until we get the subscriber count up, and so we need everybody to pitch in and please share it on all your social. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook if you like to get more regular updates, and there's all kinds of stuff on there that doesn't always make it here to YouTube. So something else you guys can check out if you like what we're doing. So as always, thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you again at Gaddy's Garage.